what usually is then the question for a certain application, where are the boundaries, where are the challenges currently? And if we take, for example, biomarker discovery as an example, already with the Orbitrap Astral launched in 2023, we did talk to customers and ask them, so what do you need? And it was most often the combination of, I need to analyze more samples, but I need to keep a certain proteome coverage and certain proteome depth. And the marks or the milestones which were given to us by customers were, if you can identify 8,000 to 10,000 proteins in less than a 10-minute run, that would be fabulous. So we did this with the Orbitrap Astral, and now here at the conference with the Orbitrap Astral Zoom, we moved the boundary one more time. We kept the 8,000 to 10,000 protein mark, but we reduced the time in half. So we do double the amount of samples at the same time while keeping the coverage of the proteome. There was a discussion in the community on, is there a way to combine verification while still maintaining the capabilities to do discovery? And this was work done together with groups like Yu Shen, like Jesper Olsen, like Bernd Wolscheid in Zurich. And the idea was, can we combine the best of two worlds and combine this into one workflow? And this is what is enabled on the Thermo Scientific Excidion Pro, which we launched here at the conference, and also at the Orbitrap Astral Zoom, which is called hybrid DIA, where you have a discovery portion using data-independent acquisition, while you also have a targeted panel of potential biomarkers which you already can quantify. So you have the best of two worlds into a workflow which is called hybrid DIA, which is enabled on the two platforms we introduced here at the show in Baltimore. What we see in the field is along the lines of biomarker discovery, biofluids. This is proteomics, but it's also multiomics, so including genomics data, including proteomics data, transcriptomics, metabolomics. We also see more and more the trend to include exposomic, so the overall environmental kind of exposure a human goes through his life. How does that impact, so to say, the workflow? This is definitely a trend. Most of this is plasma oriented, but we see interest in urine and other body fluids. This is one area. We also see continued interest in what we call low load or high sensitivity applications. Single cell proteomics, immunopeptidomics for cancer therapy. Spatial proteomics, or spatial omics I should say, is a hot topic. We have more and more customers asking for this. Is there a way to spatialize or localize in a cell, in a tissue, good, bad sections, and there are different approaches to this, and we see more and more customers asking for that. One of the examples is based on a discussion with our customers. Again, they want more samples, they want to do it faster to get to a decision point in biomarker discovery, drug development. And this is where the Orbitrap Astral Zoom again opens new doors, because based on the improvements we made on the system, we increased the speed. As a number, we went from 200 Hertz scan speed to 270, which reduced the analysis time while covering proteomics depth by half. So more samples. We increased the sensitivity for other workflows where it's required. So overall, it is the next step to drive scientific research forward. The Excidion Pro is the continuation of our hybrid portfolio based on or powered by Orbitrap technology. We started this journey in 2011 with the Q Executive platform, moved to the Explorers line, and now doing the next step in terms of performance with the Excidion Pro instrument. This system is a versatile instrument for proteomics, biopharma application, metabolomics applications. So we increased from a feature perspective sensitivity, scan speed. We also, for the first time on this platform, enabled an orthogonal fragmentation technology called electron transfer dissociation, which will help our customers in the end to address the challenges in their segments. This can be immunopeptidomics identification using ETHD as a method, but overall it's about providing a versatile tool as a continuation of the hybrid product line.